Hi, I'm Olivia Halpin and I'm a celebrity hairstylist based in New York City. Today, I'm going to show you how to create this hairstyle that is perfect for the holiday season. We're gonna be using Eva NYC's Spectrum Far Infrared Dryer, Styler, and Queen Glitter Spray. You may have seen me do a similar look on Olivia Holt, and I'm going to show you how you can do it on yourself. Let's get started. So to complete this look today, we are going to be using the Spectrum Far Infrared Dryer, the Far Infrared Styler, and Queen Silver Glitter Spray, because nothing says holidays like a little sparkle. The first thing I'm gonna do is find my middle part. So I'm just gonna use a comb to create a clean center line. Okay. And I'm going to section out my bang section here. I don't really have bangs, it's just if I did, they would be here. So it's kind of a triangle section in the front. And I'm going to be leaving this hair down out of the bun. So I'm gonna dry these pieces forward. The rest of this hair is gonna be going back into the ponytail, so I'm gonna blow dry it in the direction that it's going to be, which is just gonna make my life a lot easier when I'm making the ponytail. What I really love about the Far Infrared Dryer is how smooth and shiny it makes my hair. It uses negative ion technology, and that cuts down on the drying time and also fights frizz. I also love how lightweight it is, so I can blow dry my hair without my arms getting too tired. My hair is now completely dry, and you can see even without using a brush, my hair has gotten so smooth and shiny and straight. I'm gonna keep these pieces forward, and I'm gonna use a brush to brush my hair back into a ponytail. The ponytail is gonna sit straight back, so I'm just gonna brush straight back, and I'm using firm tension with my hand to hold the ponytail tight while I keep brushing to get everything smooth. The sleeker, the better for this. Okay, it's perfectly smooth and pulled back with no bumps. Now I'm gonna take an elastic and tie that into a tight ponytail. If you have really thick hair, you might even wanna use 2 elastics to get an even firmer grip. Okay, now that our ponytail is in, I'm turning on my Far Infrared Styler, and I'm going to 400 degrees. The ceramic plates on the Far Infrared Styler are really gentle on your hair and are amazing at cutting frizz. The plates are also floating, which means the edges are free here. They're not covered by the iron. And that allows you to not only do straight styles, but you can also do waves and curly looks. My favorite thing about the iron is that it has an automatic 1-hour shut off, because who hasn't forgotten to turn their iron off before? All right, we are all heated up, and now I'm just gonna go through and iron the ponytail to get it super sleek before we turn it into a bun. I'm taking large sections, and you can see how easily it glides through the hair. It doesn't snag at all, and it gives you a really shiny, sleek, polished finish. You only have to go through the section once. There's no multiple passes needed to get the hair super sleek. Okay. ponytail is now very sleek and straight. I'm just gonna twist it, wrap it around the ponytail, keep twisting and wrap, and then use bobby pins to secure it into a bun. I even like leaving these little spiky bits here because it's just a little bit more fun and it's a super trendy way to do your bun. Adding in some bobby pins to secure. The more hair you have, the more bobby pins you may need to use. I'll probably only need to use like 2 or 3 because I do not have the thickest of hair. Okay, and I am totally leaving these little spikies. They're so cute. And if you want to get them a little more straight too, you can even go over them with the iron. Love it. Okay. We've got to smooth these pieces out a little bit. So I'm going to grab the first piece. Just give it a little comb through. One easy pass with the styling iron. Same thing on the other side. Perfect. And then the last part, the best part, it's time for the glitter spray. So you want to shake it up, give it a good shake. I'm going to focus the glitter on the side so that it kind of like catches the light as I turn. So I'm going to hold the can about 6 inches or so away from my head and begin spraying. It's totally buildable, so you can start with a light mist and keep adding until you have the amount of sparkle that you want. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so festive and so fun. This is also safe for your skin too, so feel free to like get a little on your chest, on your collarbones, on your shoulders if you're wearing an exposed shoulder shirt. The more, the better. More is more, right? Okay, this is seriously so fun. And there's nothing I love more than glitter, really. So this is like my dream hair. I'm gonna keep adding more because why not? I'm gonna add some onto the spikies here. Oh yes. Guys, I am so obsessed with how this is coming out. Okay, so here you have it. A slicked back spiky bun with glitter, because why not? I hope you guys like this look and I hope you try it yourself at home. Thanks for watching.